Welcome, my dear students. Children, in previous video we have discussed about the various tokens of the Python programming, and we have also discussed about the literals, keywords, punctuators, etc. Now comes the very important part without which any program is incomplete. So that one is operators. So how many types of operators we have? We have basically 8 or 7 types of operators. For example, arithmetic operators, relational, assignment, logical, bitwise, membership, and identity operators. So when we talk about uh, yes, here it is. When we talk about arithmetic operators perform arithmetic operations like addition, multiplication, division, etc. So, etc. So when we talk about, there are three more operators available with the arithmetic operators, that is modulus, that is floor division, and the exponent. Floor division removes the digits after the decimal point and modulus returns the remainder. And exponent perform which function? Raised to the power. So this is somewhat examples of arithmetic operations. So plus, minus, and same way we can also do the program of this particular thing. So arithmetic operator, again, this is done with the help of function, so we will not be doing this. Second one is the relational operator or a comparison operator. So the first operator is equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, equal to. Always remember this thing, that this operator will always give in the answer as a true or a false, because it compares the left hand side from the right hand side. So now see, if I have given x is equal to 101 and y 121, so my answer is false, because 101 is not greater than 121. So the third one is the augmented assignment operator. Augmented means, so when we say that a plus equal to 1, so it means I am adding that number a is equal to a plus 1. It is used to assign values to the variable. So what we have augmented assignment operators as? We have equal to, plus equal to, division equal to, multiplication, minus, modulus. All the arithmetic operations can be used with the, is used as a augmented operators. Then we have a logical operators. Logical operators always have like perform logical operations as we have done in the Boolean algebra, and, or, and not. Or will give the answer, or these operators also give the answer either in the true or false. So if we have a and, so and will check either both the left hand side and the right hand side. If the both sides are true, only then the answer will be true. And or will check the either side of the condition. If either one or either both the condition are true, so then your answer is true. So not is simply not will do the simple complement of that number. Then we have a membership operators. Membership operators are two types of operators, in and not in. So this particular operator is used to validate the value is found in the particular sequence, or that is list, tuples, or strings. So it will check that particular value is present or not. It will also give the answer either in true or false. Then we have identity operators, is and not is. This operator compare the memory locations of the two objects. So if they lie at the same, if they have a same value associated with them, for example, a is equal to 34 and b is equal to 34. So if a is b, so answer will be true, right? So this way it will check the value of a and b. Now the very important thing which we have discussed in the class is the operator precedence. You can see the this particular table that the highest value associated with the operator, which operator is exponentiation, raised to the power. So whenever we have this operator in the expression, so this is the first one which should be evaluated. And if we have two operators in the same one expression, so we need to solve that expression from right to left. From right to left. Then we have a urinary, and then arithmetic, and then addition, subtraction, then logical bitwise operators, and then comparison operators, equality, and then lastly we have a logical operators. So next is the punctuator. This is the last token of our Python programming. So these are the special symbols which we used oftenly in the program. So next lecture we will discuss later on in